Welcome to the maths class. Let us move on further. What is this geometric figure called, students? Yes, it's a rectangle. Alright. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? How are you going to find out the perimeter of a rectangle? Yes, perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. So 2 into 15 plus 9. So you'll get 2 into 24 and you'll get 48 is the perimeter of a rectangle. Alright. Since you all know to find out the perimeter of a rectangle, today let us learn how to find out area of a rectangle in our topic mensuration. Alright. Look at these closed figures which are given below. Alright. These are the circles. Okay. And there's also a circle which are slightly bigger in size and a star is enclosed in it. Alright. Do they occupy some region of a flat surface? Yes, they do. Can you tell which ones occupy more region which are there on the left hand side or the ones which are there on the right hand side? So can you tell me which ones occupy more region? Of course, which are there on your right hand side, which are slightly bigger as compared to the ones which are smaller ones, will occupy more region. So the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Alright. So can you tell which of the above figures has more area? Yes, the one which is on the right hand side. Alright. Now let us learn how to estimate the area covered by a figure on squared paper. Find the area of the shape shown in the figure. Okay. This is the figure that is given to you. Now, if you have a look at this figure, you will find that in this figure, it is made up of line segments. Alright. As you can see, it is made up of line segments and it is covered by full squares and half squares only. If you have a look at it, fully filled squares are how many? Yes, you have 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And half filled squares are how many? 4 again. You have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you're going to write it. Fully filled squares 4. Half filled squares are 4. So area covered by full squares will be 4 into 1 square units. 4 because 4 fully filled squares are there, into 1 meaning because it's a full, no? So 1 square unit. So you'll get 4 square units. Similarly, area covered by half squares is 4 into half because they are half filled. So half square units. Then after cancellation, so 2 you will cancel it to 4. So you will get 2 square units. So total area will be 2 plus 4 square units. So you will get 6 square units. Alright. Find the area of the shape shown in the figure. Okay. As you can see, if you have a look at this figure, here how many fully filled squares are there? 3, isn't it? This is 1, 2 and 3. And half filled squares are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. So area covered by full squares will be 3 into 1 units. So you get 3 square units. And area covered by half squares will be 6 into half square units. So you'll cancel 2 and 6. So you'll get 3 square units. Okay. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So 3 square units. So total area will be what? 3 plus 3. You'll get 6 square units. Alright. Now let us see how to find out area of a rectangle. Okay, find the area of a rectangle given below whose length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. In order to find out the area of a rectangle, so what is the formula that we are going to use? Yes, length into breadth. So length is what? 5 centimeter and breadth is given as 3 centimeter. Okay, so you'll get 15 square centimeter as the area. Alright. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. Alright. So area of the rectangle will be length into breadth. So length is 6 centimeter into breadth is 4 centimeter. So you'll get 24 square centimeter as the area of the rectangle. Find the area of a square whose length of one side is 3 centimeter. Now let us see how to find out the area of a square. Okay, since you all know that in a square all the 4 sides are equal. So in order to find out the area of a square, the formula that you're going to use is side into side. So 3 into 3. Okay, since one side is 3 centimeter here. Okay, and all the sides are equal, so 3 into 3, so you get 9 square centimeter. Find the area of a square plot of side 8 centimeter. So how are we going to find out the area of a square? Area of a square, you're going to find the side of a square is given as 8 centimeter. So area of a square will be side into side. It will give you 8 into 8, so you'll get 64 square centimeter. Alright. Now, Bob wants to cover a room which is 3 meter wide and 4 meter long by square tiles. If each square tile is of side 0.5 meter, then find the number of tiles required to cover the floor of the room. Okay, so how are you going to solve this problem? As you all know, total area of tiles must be equal to the area of the room. So the length of the room is given as 4 meter and breadth of the room is given as 3 meter. So area of the room is equal to length into breadth. Why? Because it is a rectangular room. So area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So length is 4 meter into breadth is 3 meter. So you'll get area 12 square meter. So area of one square tile, which is a square shaped, will be, so area of a square is side into side. So area of one square will be, side 1 is given, it is 0.5 into 0.5 meter. So you'll get 0.25 square meter. Alright. So the number of tiles required is equal to area of the floor upon area of the tile. Okay. Area of the floor which is a rectangular and area of a tile which is a square shape. So area of a floor is 12 square meter upon area of the tile is 0.25 square meter. So you get what is the answer that you're going to get? Yes. So when you shift the decimal point, so 2 zeros you put on top, so you get 1200, that is 1200, and down you get 25. Alright. So after cancellation you get 48 answer. So number of tiles required will be 48 tiles. Alright. So summary. So today we have learnt about area of a rectangle, okay, area of a square, and also to calculate the area of a figure using a squared paper. Okay. Now it's question time, students. Okay, I want you all to copy these questions and write the answers. Find the areas of the rectangles whose sides are given as 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter, and second it is given as 12 meter and 21 meter. And second problem, find the areas of the squares whose sides are 10 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Okay, and this is a homework for you all students. How many tiles with dimensions 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter will be needed to fit in a region whose length and breadth are given, that is 100 centimeter and 144 centimeter, okay, and 70 centimeter and 36 centimeter. Okay, thank you students.